Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua. We're back to our latest update. This is now the advanced weekend edition of our update. This is for today, Thursday until Sunday, April 10 to 13, 2025, English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. It looks like the hot dry season is ongoing with less showers and thunderstorms over Luzon, but over the Visayas and Mindanao there are lots of thunderstorms occurring every afternoon. And here's the latest fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page in Maori 9 satellite loop. As of now, you can see some thunderstorms moving into eastern Visayas. This is due to the easterly wind flow, a part of the hot dry season. And we have a ridge of high pressure area extending across Luzon, bringing out good weather and dry conditions. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, you can clearly see here some massive thunderstorms moving into eastern Visayas and the northern portions of northern Caraga, Siargao, and Dinagat, as well as some isolated areas of central and southern Mindanao. You can see one here developing over the area of Bukidnon, northern Davao region, and also there's a stray thunderstorm over the area of Cagayan Valley, south of Tuguegarao, in the vicinity of Isabela. So this will bring some relief. And for the wind forecast for the next 5 days, or 4 days, okay, until Monday, it will be generally easterlies along the eastern Philippines, okay. The rest of the country will remain calm to variable winds. So expect drier conditions ahead this weekend. You can have some trip, family vacation, beach outing, wherever you want to, wherever you want to go. I mean, and for the rain forecast, it will be on Friday afternoon. Again, isolated to scattered thunderstorms will be expected across vast areas of Mindanao and also selected areas of Visayas, while the limited areas of Luzon will be expecting also some showers, but mostly dry conditions. On Saturday, same situation across Mindanao and Visayas, including Palawan, and we have here a localized thunderstorm along the northern portions of Cagayan Valley. Okay, and on Sunday afternoon, again Mindanao and parts of western Visayas, Palawan, Metro Manila, Southern Tagalog provinces might be seeing some thunderstorm or localized thunderstorms, while over Bicol region, not much. But just don't forget to bring some handy umbrellas, okay? And on Monday, drier conditions will prevail across Bicol region, eastern Visayas in the afternoon, while isolated thunderstorms will be expected over central Luzon, and maybe Metro Manila and southern Tagalog will also experience this kind of isolated thunderstorms, and also Zamboanga Peninsula and Soxagen. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas whenever you leave on those selected areas. So for the wave forecast, nothing much, very good. You can have some fishing activity and sea travel. It's very light, calm, very light to light waves will be expected. So today, Friday until Monday, we expect wave heights here over the East Philippine Sea ranging from half a meter to 1.5 meters, while over the central Philippine Sea, or over the inland waters of the Philippines, we'll be having a calm to almost half a meter in wave heights, and it will be very calm here over the West Philippine Sea, west of Palawan. And for the latest on the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, and this is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, wherein the third week is highly uncertain. We begin on week 2, valid April 16 to April 22. Most parts of the country, except for Mindanao and the Palawan, will be having below 65% of, more than 65% of below average rainfall, while more than 50% of above average rainfall because of localized thunderstorms due to easterlies will prevail across southern Palawan and Mindanao. That's during the Holy Week. This is the Holy Week, okay? April 16 is Holy Wednesday, so week 3, highly uncertain, April 23 to April 29, last week of April. Mindanao and parts of Visayas will have more than 50% of above average rainfall because of the ongoing easterlies that could generate thunderstorms over the areas, okay? And so far, tropical cyclone formation are still concentrated along the northern Australia area, the waters of northern Australia. Okay, so that's it. That's the quick update. And we will return come likely next week, Monday, to give you another update. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Advance happy weekend to all. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel.